Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your cabin air filter. First, gather your tools: a new cabin air filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface and completely turned off before you begin. This simple maintenance task is crucial for air quality inside your car and usually takes only about 15 to 20 minutes. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home, saving you time and money. To begin, fully open your glove box. You'll notice two small dampener clips, one on each side, that prevent the glove box from dropping too quickly. Gently unclip these dampeners by pushing them inward or pulling them out, depending on their design. This will allow the glove box to swing down further, giving you better access to the filter housing. Be careful not to force anything to avoid damage. With the glove box lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small tabs on the cover. Press these to release and remove the cover. Carefully pull the old filter straight out. Before discarding it, take note of the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is important for installing the new filter correctly, ensuring proper air circulation within your vehicle. Now, insert your new cabin air filter, making sure the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the old one. Slide it in until it's fully seated. Replace the filter housing cover, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, lift the glove box and reattach the dampener clips on both sides. Close the glove box and you're all set. Your vehicle now has fresh, clean air. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.